Or the alarm goes off. Which is it? So, ring the bell is literally ding dong, like what we did in the past. We don't really do that anymore. Okay, so for example, he rang the bell. Bing, bing. Maybe at a wedding or something. Or if you're outside someone's house, they could say, ring the bell and I'll let you in. Okay? Or we also say, oh, have you heard of it? And you could say, oh, I'm not sure. It rings a bell. Bing. Like metaphoric bell in your head. And then if it's the alarm for the morning, it doesn't ring. Okay? The telephone rings, but the alarm doesn't ring. I'm sorry. So in this case, the alarm goes off. An example, sorry I'm late. My alarm didn't go off.